Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Aamir Shahzad, and today my video is about the Leica TS09 Plus. Actually, I'm mostly making my videos in Urdu, but the many requests in the comments I receive, and I start before the series one playlist like Total Station TS09 Plus in English. So now I will continue this series until I complete these tutorials. So the today topic is how we can set the total station with the zero angle. I mean, when we have some coordinate of the station points and the back side we put as a zero azimuth, and then we work with that angle. So how we will do, let's see with on the display. I can explain everything. So when we power on the Leica TS09 Plus, this is the first display. So for the entering that option, we have to go to program option. So this my instrument is a touch screen instrument, so I can directly touch on the programs, and then I'm enter in my next page. The first page is the station setup. So by the arrow keys I go there, press OK, or I can use the also touch screen. So here I have first description, set up a station and determine its a coordinate and this is the some options, but in this tutorial I explain only with the zero angle, how we can set a zero angle in total station. So simply I will press F4 for the continue, and then we have a orientation with the angle. So I will explain further in the next video in detail about the regarding this orientation with the angle. Here in this video I explain only how we can set the zero angle. So I'm going to press F4 for continue. So first I need to put the value of my station. I give the name on my station ID is 100. If I go to find, press F1. So here I give the some values like 100 and 100. You can see easting 100, northing 100, but I did not insert any elevation because now only I'm focusing on the location of the total station. So I'm going to press F4 for continue after view my values. Again F4, and these are my station values. So I'm going to press F4 for continue for the angle. So what I need to do, first I need to focus my angle location and then press HZ, then I can set my the zero angle. So first you can see I just put there one prism, and that is prism is from the total station distance 2.00088 meter. So I will first focus this on the target and then press zero set, and then I give you the how we can get the coordinates. After set my target, I already focused my target. I'm going to simply press F3 for set my zero angle. So once I press F3, and here it's showing me a 0 angle on that point which I focus. So after that I have to press F2 for the set. Once I set this 0, it means that is my true north, and instrument is ready for work based on this one values. So in front of you I put before the values for the station 100 and hundreds, and then I told you this distance is 2 meter and 87 I think centi. So first I will check the distance and the coordinate, it's set or no. So all values add in the north direction. East should be 100 because we set zero angle. So I'm going to survey, F4 for continue, and simply I press distance. As you can see, little my focus is different, error in the 6 second due to maybe I disturb my instrument, but I can see the value. Here you can see the horizontal distance is 2.875, and the coordinate north direction is also added this horizontal distance, but east is same what I put on the station values. So this is the way how we can set the total station with the zero angle. So hopefully I clear this option. If you have any question or regarding this video or my other videos, you can ask me in the comments. And finally, before I go to close this video, I have to just simply request, just forgive me for my communication, because these are only requested video. I know my communication skill is not good, but because the many requested, that's why I'm going to make these videos.